This is my new mini finger basketball court design. It goes on your finger like this, and now you can score as many points as you can. This is a very cool and fun game you can 3D print at home with the free files available on Maker World, which you can find a link to in the description. And now I'm going to show you how to assemble everything after printing all the parts. The assembly is identical between the AMS and the non-AMS versions. The only difference is the non-AMS version has a dent instead of a line, so it will be visible with a single color. And also the hoop on the non-AMS version is printed with a bi-layer manual filament change. And now let's start assembling. Let's start with these two main pieces. They easily snap into each other, just make sure you align the pins properly. And now let's continue with the hoop. It's separated into two parts for easier printing, and we just need to connect them together. And now we can just press fit everything together just like this. And now let's continue with the ring. It goes to the larger side of this hole and then slides to lock in place. The only thing left to do is to put the ball into the cave, close it on the court, and then rotate it to snap in place. And that's it, the mini finger basketball court. Enjoy!